Hi and welcome to this episode from Flight Risk Adventures. Solo hiking is a great way to connect with nature, challenge yourself, and have peace. But it's essential to be prepared before you head out alone. Here are some tips for safe and enjoyable solo hiking in the wilderness. Choose the right trail. When hiking solo, choosing a path that's well traveled and well marked is essential. This will help you stay safe if you get lost or injured. Avoid trails that are too challenging or remote for your skill level. Let someone know where you're going. Always let someone know where you're going and when you expect to be back. This could be a friend, family member, or park ranger. If you don't return on time, they'll know to come looking for you. Pack the essentials. This includes food, water, a first aid kit, a map, a compass, a flashlight, and a charged cell phone. If lost or injured, you may also want to pack a satellite messenger or personal locator beacon. Be aware of your surroundings. Pay attention to the weather, the terrain, and the wildlife. Be prepared to change your plans if necessary. If you see something that doesn't seem right, trust your instincts and turn back. Stay on the trail. This is especially important if you're hiking in an area with bears or other dangerous animals. Animals are more likely to attack if they feel threatened, and getting off the trail can make you seem like a more significant threat. Make noise. This will help you avoid surprising animals and other hikers. If you're hiking in an area with bears, you may want to carry a bear bell or make noise by clapping your hands or singing. Take breaks. Don't push yourself too hard, mainly if you're not used to hiking solo. Take breaks to rest, eat, and drink water. Have fun. Solo hiking can be a great way to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. Soak up the scenery, listen to the birds sing, and enjoy your time in the wilderness. Here are some additional tips for solo hiking in the wilderness. Start small and build your confidence. If you're new to solo hiking, start with a short, easy trail and gradually work up to longer, more challenging hikes. Be prepared for the unexpected. Things don't always go according to plan when hiking solo, so it's essential to be ready for anything. This includes dealing with bad weather, injuries, and getting lost. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Don't be afraid to turn back or call for help if needed. Have fun. Solo hiking can be a great way to exercise, enjoy the outdoors, and challenge yourself. Soak up the scenery, listen to the birds sing, and relax and enjoy your time in the wilderness. I hope these tips help you plan your next solo hiking adventure in the wilderness. Please like and subscribe.